Hey James, do I need to make repairs before selling my home? Yes, generally it is advised that you would make repairs, button up issues that you've got on. If you've got cracks or broken fixtures, take care of those items for a couple reasons. One, you want to make sure you make a good first impression to the buyer. Secondly, if you take care of those things before a home inspection, it's going to minimize the chances that the buyer tries to back out of the deal when they discover them or try to renegotiate with you. Although, and keep in mind, it is important to balance the ROI of doing those repairs and not in the time and the cost and making sure you get your money back out of it. Always consult with a real estate professional to make sure you are making the right decisions as you look to do those repairs and ultimately get your home sold.